I'm Eliot Horowitz, CEO and founder of Viam. Viam is an operating system for physical AI. Today, we're on Capitol Hill doing a demonstration of how powerful the Viam platform is. It's all about bringing manufacturing jobs and enabling small and medium-sized businesses to compete and increase the amount of manufacturing in this country.
I thought it was really great to bring this technology here to show all of you, our next generation of leaders, how important it is that we here on the Hill are investing, first of all, in education, but also make sure that we are allowing companies to grow and develop in the way they need to.
That's what we're really focused on. Lots of manufacturing, lots of third-party logistics and warehouse operations, and a lot for those small and medium-sized businesses where for Amazon, you can build your own robots. But if you're a small business or a medium-sized business, you really can't, and they're really being left out, and that's who we really want to support. Our dream is that everything you consume is built within 100 to 200 miles of where you live. In order to do that, we need to increase the number of people working in this space. We need to bring a ton of manufacturing back to this country and make it incredibly effective by using automation.